Good morning students. In this video session, I am going to teach how to read and write the contents to the file. Okay. So reading is nothing but how to get the input from the file, and writing is how to write the output inside the file. For that, various predefined functions are present in the stdio.h header file, standard input output.h. So in the previous video session, I explained you these things, right? How these are the functions used to read, and these are the function used to write the contents inside the file. One by one, we can see in this presentation. First one is fscanf and fprintf. This fscanf and fprintf comes under the formatted input-output statement. So formatted input-output statements means we can able to get any kind of input, any format. You can get the input in integer format, character format, string format, float format, or double format. All types, all the formatted. You have to specify the format. That's it. All the formatted contents we can get as input from the file using fscanf. Similarly, using fprintf, you can write all the format data into the file. Here stream is nothing but file. Stream denotes file. Okay. Similarly, fgetS, that is file get string, and fputS, file put string. FgetS and fputS is used to get the string from the input as well as write the line or write the string inside the file. Okay. Similarly, file get C and file put C, it is used to get only one character from the input at a time. At a time, you can able to access or you can able to get only one character as the input from the file using file get C. File put C means you can able to write only one character inside the file at a time. Okay. Then fread and fwrite is a function used to read or write collection of data like strings or like structures. You can write inside the file or to the file. Okay. So we can see one by one in the presentation. The first one is fscanf and fprintf. See the syntax. For fscanf and fprintf, see here, what is this file fp? This is the file for file pointer. File, the star fp is the file pointer. And what is format string? Format string is nothing but control string. If it is integer means %d. If it is character means %c. If it is float means %f. Double means %lf. That format string you have to specify depend upon the variables. If it is a integer variable means %d. If it is a character variable means %c. Similarly, scanf, see the syntax for scanf, file pointer, then again control string, then variable list. This is the syntax. We can see one example so we can able to clearly understand it. Okay. See this example. First I will tell the logic of the program. Okay. So first I am going to get some inputs. Okay. In this program I am going to get some inputs. Two inputs I am going to get. Then I am going to open the file, and what are the inputs I got already, I am going to write inside it. After writing inside the file, I am going to close the file. Okay. First I am going to get the input for the variables, and what are the inputs I got, I am going to write inside the file, then close the file. Again I am going to open the file in read mode. Again I am going to get the input from the file using fscanf, then print it in the output screen. See this first. I'm just including the header file stdio, that is standard input output for conio.h, that is console input output.h. This is your starting position. Void main is the starting position of your program, and here I am declaring the first step. If you are using a file program means the first step is file pointer, file star p. File is the structure, this fp is the pointer. Here you can give any name. I am giving fp. Okay. I am declaring two variables here. One is item. It is a character array or it is a string. Okay. And second one is int number. One character array and one integer variable. Two variables I declared here. Okay. Then here I declared the file pointer, right? Using this file pointer, I am opening the file. fp equal to, that is file pointer equal to fopen. This is the function used to open the file. What's the file name here? Input2.txt. It is a notepad file. This is the file name. What is this W? It is the access mode. What's the meaning of this W? If the file is already existing, it will be opened and the content will be truncated. If the file is not available or not present there, it will create the new file. All of you understood? Then now I am going to get the input for these two variables. For character item and int number, I am going to get the input. Printf, enter the data. See here, scanf, it is a string, right? If it is a string, means which control string we have to use? %s. What is this /n? The input will be come in the get in the next line. /n means new line. Okay. This %s is the control string for this variable item, character variable, character array. And %d, it is the integer. It is the control string for this number. For string, it's its base address. So we no need to put the ampersand here. For integer, we have to put the ampersand. Now, for example, the item name is pencil. The number is 5. Okay. So item name is pencil and number is 5. These two inputs I given. Both the inputs I want to write inside the file. How you write inside the file? Any function is there to write inside the file? Yes. fprintf, that is file printf. If you want to write anything inside the file, then you can use file printf. Okay. So file printf of, what's the syntax here? File you have to, first you have to put file pointer. Here fp is the file pointer. Then what are the next thing? Format string. So what are the two values you are going to print inside the file? One is a string, another one is a integer. So for denoting the string, the format string is %s. For denoting the number, integer, you are using %d. Then the variable. Here only the values are stored, right? Inside the item, pencil is there. Inside the number, 5 is there. So it should be wrote inside the file. So if you have any doubts, just open the Turbo C where you installed. Okay. And inside the bin, the file was created. The file was generated. The file name is input.txt. Inside that, two datas are there. One is pencil, another one is number. Okay. Then here you open the file, right? Here you are close the file. How you close the file? Using fclose, then file pointer. Okay. Why I am closing the file here? Here I opened the file in the write mode. Write mode means what we have to write. Only you can able to write it. Printf is used to writing the output. Only you can write inside the file. Now I want to get the input from the file. So fscanf I want to use. So which mode I want to use? I want to use the mode in read mode. That's what I close it here. See here. Again file pointer equal to, I am opening the file. The same file input.txt. Inside what is there? Inside two values are there. One is pencil, another one is 5. Which mode I am opening? Read mode. What the read mode will do? The file is already existing. It will be open. So the file will be open. Now from the file I want to take the input. So normally scanf is used to get the input. From the file you want to get the input means you have to use fscanf. Fscanf of the same syntax, file pointer, comma. Then what are the control strings are there? %s is for denoting this character array and d is for item. These are the two data which is present inside the file. For denoting, you are using the control string and the variable name. From the file, you are retrieving the input. Now you want to display in the console screen, output screen. So item equal to %s, the number equal to /t is nothing but tab. number equal to percentage d, you are printing these two variables. Again, you have to close the file. Here you open, right? Close the file. Now see how the output is look. First enter the data. So you are giving two data is pen and 50. So it should be this is, for example, this is the file input.txt. Like that, one file is open. Inside the file pen 50. Two datas are there. Again using fscanf, it should be wrote by fprintf. Again using fscanf, you are getting the data and printing in the output stream. Okay. I hope you understand, student. Thank you.